Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check processor, CPU, SSD, and hard drive health on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and right-click on your taskbar and then just go to Task Manager. And from here, expand this and just go to Performance. And from here, just go to CPU. And as you can see, I have an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 with 6 cores. You will see whatever CPU you are using. So after that, as you can see, my utilization is at the moment 8%. That's because I'm doing recording and stuff. Yours should be near down to 0 if you have a good CPU. And you can also see the clock speed here, as well as the base speed, the socket, and the core count. Also the logical processor count, as well all other information right over here. Then if you go to memory, you're going to see the memory usage, and you're going to see the speed of your memory, the slots used, the form factor, and how much hardware reserved RAM is there. Then go to your SSD and check the SSD usage. If it's 0% on idle, it's good. And you can check the capacity from here as well. And if you have hard disk, just check those. You can check for other SSDs as well. All additional hard disk and SSDs will be listed over here. Then you'll find your graphics card. You can see your graphics card utilization over here, as well as the driver and DirectX version. And also the dedicated GPU memory right over here. And after that, what you can do is just go to processes. From here, search for high CPU usage just by clicking on it, or high RAM usage, whatever. Just click on it and check for the apps that are using your RAM and CPU really high. And if you don't need them, just go to startup and disable them from startup, obviously. And you can go further and right click on the start button and go to run. And here type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. And from here, just uninstall all the apps that is causing a high RAM or CPU usage issue in your computer. And after that, you can go to your search and type for CMD and click on open. From here, type sfc/scan now. Make sure there's a space between both of them and hit enter. It's gonna run a scan on your system and repair all the issues for you. Then just go ahead and restart your computer. And basically that is how to check processor, CPU, SSD, and hard drive health on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.